Delta-Cast Soft is a semi-rigid polyester cast tape for the functional immobilization in the treatment of fractures and soft tissue injuries when limited movement is allowed. For indications where immobilization or stabilization of the ankle joint is required. Due to the semi-rigid properties of the Delta-Cast Soft, only minimal padding with a thin stockinette is needed. For prominent bony areas, extra padding may be required. Define position of limb. Ankle flexed to 90 degrees and the foot in neutral inversion or reversion. Choose appropriate width of delta net stockinette that will fit snugly but does not constrict the patient's leg. Measure the length from knee to toes and cut desired length. Roll up stockinette before applying on limb to overcome sliding pressure during application. Roll off over the leg and remove all wrinkles and creases. Slide in zip stick on the posterior side to make cutting easier. Put on protective gloves before applying cast tape. To prepare an optional reinforcement strip with a rigid cast tape, measure the length for a U-shaped splint from the lateral side around the sole of the foot to the medial side. Layer 3 times, cut and put aside. Select appropriate width of cast tape depending on the size of the limb. Activate Delta-Cast Soft, squeezing once or twice in and gently out of the water to drain any surplus liquid out of the bandage. Start wrapping synthetic cast tape around twice and work towards ankle with 70% overlap. Go around the ankle and lock in talus. Continue with 50% overlap towards knee. Use a second roll if needed. Place the U-shaped reinforcement strip around the foot and ankle and smooth down. Take the next roll of cast tape and apply, starting at the metatarsals. Work distally, go around the ankle and lock in talus. Continue with 50% overlap towards knee. Mold cast with the palm of your hands and check for desired range of motion and any points that may cause irritation or pressure points. Cut pieces of adhesive hook strap and place them onto the cast tape on the anterior side. For good lamination of adhesive hook to cast tape, wrap elastic bandage around the cast using slight tension. Keep the bandage and the limb in position for around 5 minutes until the cast of the reinforcement strip is set. Remove the bandage. Use a marker to draw desired cut lines on the cast. Cut along the zip stick and remove the cast. Trim the cast along the cut lines and edges for a good fit. Place lower leg cast on patient and conduct fit test comfort to see if more trimming is required and check for a loud motion. Take off cast again and apply fleece edger on the cast tape edge to get soft edges for a comfortable fit. Apply a fleece edger along the main cutting line to avoid the skin getting pinched. Place cast on the leg and attach stretch loop to secure the cast. Delta Cast Soft by BSM Medical.